In this video, we will explore idiomatic expressions in English, those phrases that carry non-literal meanings and are widely used in everyday conversations. Learn with us how to use these expressions correctly to sound more fluent and natural in the language. Stay tuned to discover the meanings of these expressions and see examples of how to use them in real-life situations. To soft soap. To soft soap. I soft soaped my dad into lending me his car. To wash one's hands of something. To wash one's hands of something. I wash my hands of this project because I don't like the way my team behave in their own way. Stand on ceremony. Stand on ceremony. Please make yourself at home. There's no need to stand on ceremony. Get your ducks in a row. Get your ducks in a row. Hit me up when you get your ducks in a row.